What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Nico, and I'm back with another video. Alright, first off, I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, go back and check out some of my older videos. And if you like what you see, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright, we're gonna get this video popping, y'all. Let's go. What's going on, y'all, and welcome back to another video. So it's our last night here in Sri Lanka, and we just got done packing up and we're about to leave. I normally don't like taking the flights overnight, but in this case we had no other option. But before we leave, I'm gonna show y'all around the place that we've been staying in Negombo for the last couple days. All right, y'all, so just coming in from the door, as y'all can see, we got everything packed up. And don't mind the mess, cause we just leaving, just got done eating dinner. We gonna throw all the trash away on our way out. Got full fridge, kitchen, little dining room table right here. Got Lex over there chilling inside the living room area, TV, and balcony. Let's go check out the balcony. It's nighttime, so I don't know how much I'll actually be able to see, but let's go see. Alright, that's the view. That's over there is actually the beach, and they having something going on over there. But we wanted to attend it, but we had to get ready for our flight, so we weren't able to attend, y'all. But it's all good. It's all good. All right, y'all, back in the spot. Okay, so they do have AC in the living room and in the bedroom, Wi-Fi, have a washing machine. All right, so this is the bathroom. The hot water works very well and it's good pressure. All right, and then you have the bedroom. Nice size bed. Nice and soft, closet area, mirror, bam. And you got another balcony back here, y'all. Another balcony. So now we are waiting on our taxi to arrive. Our flight leaves at 11 o'clock at night. There is a time difference when we get to Thailand, because that's where we're going. We're going to Thailand. We arrive in Thailand at 4 o'clock in the morning, Thailand time. So, yeah. A little overnight flight, so this should be interesting. It's been a long while since I had an overnight flight, you know. But anyways, y'all, we're gonna bring y'all along with us for the journey, of course, and I'll see y'all at the airport. All right, y'all, that was probably one of the easiest process of checking out of the country that we've ever had. That was super easy, super fast, and moving very efficiently. So we headed to our gate, and then we headed out. Got us some coffee, because it's gonna be a late night. How's your coffee, babe?
That's good, yeah.
It's good? All right.
Coffee.
So, coffee. All right. So now we're just looking for the gate. All right, y'all. So we finally made it to Thailand. The flight went well. You know, I don't really like those overnight flights like that, but it was all right. But yeah, Sri Lanka will truly be missed, y'all. We was there for 2 weeks, but we definitely plan on going back and revisiting Sri Lanka for maybe a month next time. I feel like it's a lot of things that we didn't get to see, that we didn't get to do while we was there. But on another note, there's a lot of people, Sri Lankan people, and just people in general from other countries inviting me to visit their city or their hometown or village or whatever it is. I don't mind doing that, but if you invite me to your village or your hometown or city or country, let me know all the expenses up front. I don't want any surprise expenses after my visit from you or whoever I'm dealing with, you know what I mean? That's just not cool, you guys. It's just not cool. But it makes me a little bit skeptical about, you know, going to these places to meet some of the viewers, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't mind meeting people. I try to be a people person. I try. And I have to say, I love Sri Lanka, y'all. The food, even though it's a little bit spicy sometimes, the people, and especially the scenery, how green it is, the jungles, the mountains, you know, the tea plantations, all that stuff, you know. I loved it, y'all. I loved it. So like I said, it's some things that we didn't get to do, some places we didn't get to see. So we gotta go back to Sri Lanka. And if y'all never thought about visiting Sri Lanka, you probably should. It's one of those places that don't get talked about too much, but you know, check it out. And In the meanwhile, I'm gonna be showing y'all on this channel later on at some point. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick view around the room where we stand in Bangkok. We'll be here for about a week, y'all. We'll be in Bangkok for about a week, and yeah, then we're gonna head on to our next location. All right. So I'm gonna show y'all the room real quick. You have a kitchen, fridge, all this stuff. You got our stuff because we literally just arrived like 5 minutes ago. You got Lex over there chilling. She tired. You tired, baby? She tired of a long flight. Well, it wasn't even that long. It's about 3 hours. But anyways, TV, living room, small living room area. Nice little view, y'all. You're on the 43rd floor. I'll put the name of this place and the contact and all that stuff in the description. All right. So this window opens up right here. Get a little bit of taste the outside right there. Hello, Bangkok. Hello. It's a river right there. That's the river. You got a nice little view of the city. All right. And you also got a balcony. Oh, it's locked. Also got a balcony with the washing machine and all that stuff. All right. Wi-Fi. You got 2 ACs in here. You got an AC in the living room and also an AC in the bedroom. All right. So this is the bedroom. It's a pretty small spot compared to some of the other places that we normally get. But like I said, we're only gonna be here for a week, y'all. So it's not that big of a deal. In the bathroom. All right. Shower. All that good stuff. Hot water, good pressure. All that stuff, y'all. All of that good stuff. Well, anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I appreciate all the new followers. I appreciate all the comments. Keep on subscribing. Keep showing me love, y'all. Just keep showing me love. I really enjoy sharing my life and my travel adventures with y'all. And whether y'all watching or subscribing or not, I'm gonna still be traveling. I'm gonna still be vlogging. But I hope y'all watch. But anyways, y'all, this your boy Nico. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And be looking out for the next one. Peace.